Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change weather location in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search bar, first of all type of weather, open weather app. After that, go to your settings, select the default location, and after doing this set, search your city. After selected that, go to your home section, and now you can see data is changed. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.